community and you think, what am I already a part of? When you examine memberships and subscriptions and groups, clubs, organizations, companies, heck, client groups, LinkedIn groups, media outlets, anything like that, any kind of thing you're part of, what are you doing to foster, deepen, and enrich those relationships? Ginger here, human connection expert. One thing that we tend to go towards is the idea of more, more, more. I don't know about you, but my funnel is in my kitchen. I'm not interested in the volume game. Do I want to impact a lot of people like you do? Yeah, I do. And I know that if I focus on the people who are already in the different circles in my life, then I am going to do it better because those circles, no other circles. So here's the pro connector tactic practice I want to share with you today. I want you to take with you and I want you to use. Examine what memberships you're part of. Are you in a subscription? Are you in a group? Where are those groups of community already? And how are you communicating? How are you reaching out to them, checking in, finding out what's going on? Because I guarantee you that when you check in from a service mindset, you will generate business. You will generate momentum. It's called productivity, not busy. Busy is BS. Focus on those. Next, if you are in business, take a look at your client, your comprehensive client list. Who are these people? How long has it been since you've touched in with them? How long has it been since you found out what they're up to, what's going on? How long has it been since you said, oh, I'd love the chance to work with you again? What's going on with you? And then the fork in the road is, can you actually help them, or will you refer them forward to somebody else who can if you are not the one? So those are two ways to really tap into your connections that already exist. Don't always search for the more, more, more. It's exhausting. It's not always the right answer. And frankly, you bring people in and then they're left on the ether. They're left on the outside. They're on the periphery. We just keep going from party to party to party. Well, really, you have your own parties. So as a human connection expert, take these practices, plug them into your life. This morning, I'm excited about it because I just posted my chamber. There it is, my chamber pin, Central Point, shout out, Oregon. And it really was great because it's not the number of people, it's the people who show up. Look at what you belong to. Look at what you're part of. Focus on rejuvenating, rebooting, reconnecting with them. I guarantee you there's some great traction and community to be had. You can do this. Remember, life is powered by connection. So focus on the reconnecting and building with what you already have. See you next time.